Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to do a test order on Shopify. First of all, open up the Shopify app. After opening the Shopify app, click on Settings from the left side dashboard. Now from Settings, go into Payment and click to add payment methods. Search a payment method here as Testing. Then get back and click on Choose a provider from the payment provider. Now tap on for Testing Bogus Gateway. Then click to activate for Testing Bogus Gateway. After that, go back to Shopify homepage and click on Online Store from the left side dashboard. If you're wondering what card number you're going to use for this testing, no worries. There is actually a card number available right now for testing. So this is gonna be for Visa, MasterCard, American Express. This covers Tarnish Club and JCB, so you can easily use the card numbers for your testing. Now if you're going to ask for the name of the card, enter at least 2 words, expiry date, security code, and card number. Use any of the following numbers. If you want to do the testing, open up your website, just go to the product. From here, you just need to click on Buy It Now and complete your transaction. Then enter the required details. Don't forget to use the following numbers from here and your test order is completed. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.